Hello, it's Stacy with Hairlocs. Today we have influencer Masha in the studio for a full head lengthening. Follow along for our final look. When sectioning for your installs, you'll sometimes come across flyaways. These Hairlocs Velcro strips will keep those crosshairs out of your way and keep your rows very clean for your extension install. So when Masha arrived today, she had one solid color hair, medium brown, and we talked about a chemical-free look, adding extensions to give her a more dimensional. We started at the nape with one color, and as we progressed throughout the rows, we have added 4 colors to give it a more color-blocked dimensional look. We've used HL2, HL3, HL5, and HLOM1.